In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an image in Klaviyo. Whether you're crafting a marketing email or simply want to enhance your communication with stunning visuals, adding images to your emails can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into the process and see how you can easily incorporate images into your Klaviyo emails. First, you need to locate the image block within Klaviyo. This is found in the left sidebar panel of your Klaviyo email editor. It's an essential element for placing visuals into your emails. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you should see a variety of content blocks, including the image block, right there at your disposal. This drag and drop feature makes it incredibly straightforward to customize your email layout. Next, click and hold the image block. You'll want to drag it over to your email layout canvas, which is the main area where you're designing your email. By dropping the image block here, you set the stage for where your image will appear within your email. The beauty of this feature is that it gives you the flexibility to position your image exactly where you want it, ensuring that your email looks polished and professional. Once you've placed the image block into your canvas, it's time to add your desired image. Click on the image block you just placed. This will bring up a settings panel on the left side of your screen. Within this panel, look for the option that says Browse or Upload Image. This is your gateway to selecting the perfect visual for your email. Now, you'll have two primary options. You can browse through your existing media library if you've uploaded images to Klaviyo before and would like to reuse them. Alternatively, if you're introducing a new image, click Upload Image. This will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Klaviyo supports several formats, including PNG, JPEG, and GIF, so you have the flexibility to choose the format that best suits your email design. When choosing an image, consider the overall aesthetic and theme of your email. High-quality images can capture attention and convey your message more effectively. Once you've selected your image file, give it a moment to upload. The image will then appear in the image block you placed earlier. And there you have it, your image is now part of your Klaviyo email. It's always a good idea to preview your email to ensure everything looks as intended before sending it out to your audience. This simple process not only enhances the visual appeal of your emails, but also helps convey your message more effectively, making your emails more engaging and impactful. In this quick tutorial, you've learned how to add an image in Klaviyo, making your emails more visually appealing and professional. Feel free to experiment with different images and placements to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.